Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're focusing on protecting your online activities with FBD VPN Pro. This tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a secure and private browsing experience on your Android device. Let's get started. First, as with any app, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type FBD VPN Pro, or alternatively FBD DDPN Pro, to make sure you find it quickly. From the search results, carefully select the correct app and tap Install. It's a good idea to double-check the developer name if you're familiar with it, just to be extra safe. After the installation process is complete, go ahead and open the app. Once the app launches, look in the upper left corner of the screen. You should see the familiar three-line menu icon. Tap on this menu to open it. From the menu options, select Check Updates. This is an important step to ensure that the app has the latest server list and any recent bug fixes, which will contribute to a more stable and secure connection. Allow the update process to run and finish completely. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. After the update is finished, go back to the home screen of the app and tap the server option. Here, I highly recommend choosing Auto Server. This option allows the app to automatically select the best server based on your current location, ensuring optimal performance. Next, select the Network option and choose All Networks. This setting ensures that the VPN will function correctly whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or using your mobile data connection. Finally, tap the Start button to connect to the VPN. Once the connection is established, the app will actively secure your internet connection, encrypting your data and masking your IP address. And that's it. You are now connected and protected using FBD VPN Pro. Remember to always use VPNs responsibly and enjoy a more secure browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe and secure online.